Welcome to a new world. In a world where renewable energy technologies have been rapidly evolving, one source of clean and sustainable energy has lagged behind: geothermal. While solar, wind, and hydrogen technologies have seen significant advancements, geothermal has remained relatively stagnant, limited by its conventional approach and a lack of understanding of its full potential. But what if there was a technology that could unlock the true power of geothermal energy? What if it could compete with fossil fuels on a whole new level? Introducing GEIOS, the game changer in geothermal innovation. GEIOS has redefined the geothermal landscape, pushing the boundaries of what was once thought possible. With 4 groundbreaking innovations, GEIOS has transformed geothermal energy into a force to be reckoned with. The first innovation lies in GEIOS's unique ability to operate at an ascendant level, combined with a unique method to extract an unprecedented amount of energy. Unlike traditional geothermal systems, GEIOS harnesses the full potential of the subsurface, unlocking vast reserves of clean, renewable power. The second innovation is the integration of nanotechnology and advanced materials. Through the use of nanomaterials, GEIOS maximizes heat capture and efficiently traps thermal energy. This breakthrough ensures optimal performance and significantly enhances the overall efficiency of geothermal systems. GEIOS takes geothermal innovation to the next level with its third breakthrough: AI-driven geochemistry analysis. By leveraging our own precision algorithms for complex vertical stimulation with an advanced artificial intelligence that control the dynamic and adaptive stimulation of the subsurface, GEIOS not only generate more power, but also gains valuable insights into the reservoir's structure and composition at isotopic levels. This deep understanding allows for precise optimization and fine-tuning of geothermal operations, making GEIOS the first high-precision geothermal system compared to conventional geothermal, who get data only during the drilling process, but are in the dark during the operation process. Finally, GEIOS utilizes at the core of this technology a new quantum-based thermal devices, marking the fourth innovation. These cutting-edge devices operate at the interatomic level, efficiently extracting heat from the geological formation. With their high efficiency, they unlock the full potential of geothermal energy, surpassing the capabilities of solar, wind, and hydrogen. Together, these 4 innovations have revolutionized geothermal energy, catapulting it to new heights. GEIOS is reshaping the energy landscape, offering a clean and sustainable solution that rivals conventional fossil fuels. GEIOS is way more than this. We are the perfect combination of innovation and sustainability united to finally push the boundaries of geothermal into a new dimension and also finally catch up the years of stagnation. Join the revolution today and contact us to know more about GEIOS technologies and our unique features.